Hi, I'm Eric, I go by eRock, and today we're talking about the HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless Gaming Headset. Overall, this is a phenomenal gaming headset. It is durable and comfortable. But out of all the features this headset has to offer, there is one feature that stands out above the rest: the battery life. The HyperX Cloud Alpha Wireless Gaming Headset has a battery life that can last for up to 300 hours. Yes, you heard that correctly. This headset has a battery that can last for 300 hours. That's almost 2 full weeks of continuous usage. In fact, if you think about it like this, if you use the headset like a job, 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, that would be 7.5 weeks of usage on a single charge. That is nothing short of impressive. I'm a software developer by day, but a gamer by night. And no matter what time of day it is or how long I need to be locked in, the Alpha Wireless gaming headset never fails. And for the rare occasions when I do need to charge it, it comes with an easy to use charging cable right in the box. As a gamer, there's nothing more annoying than when your headset dies on you in the middle of a game. So do yourself a favor and minimize the amount of times this could happen to you in the middle of a crucial game with the HyperX Alpha Wireless gaming headset with an incredible 300-hour battery life.